Find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integers and verify that LCM and HCF is product of two numbers. First you have to find LCM and HCF of these two numbers, and then whatever product you will be getting, you have to multiply this also. 62 into 91 also should be the same answer, and even HCF, the product of LCM and HCF also should be the same answer. We'll just see first question first. To start with this question, 26 and 91. 26 to 13 times, 13 one time. Next 91. 3 it is not divisible. 9 plus 1 is 10, so hence it is not possible. 7 one time. 7 3 times. 13 one time. To write these factors, 26 is equal to 2 into 13 and 91 is equal to 7 into 13. We have to find both HCF and LCM in this question. So here HCF is equal to, the common number is 13, LCM is equal to 13 into 2 into 7. Okay, in the question they have asked over here, first let me solve this LCM. 13 into 14. Here in the question they have asked, first find HCF and LCM. Accordingly we have found HCF and LCM. And again here they've asked that, and also verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the numbers. So what should we even do accordingly? Product of two numbers, that is in the question the numbers, two numbers are 26, I'll use a different color, 26 and 91 is the question, right? So we have to find product between these two numbers and also the product of this HCF and LCM. So we'll solve that. First 26 into 91. Six, 2, 9. You'll be getting 1366. The same number you should get when you multiply these two numbers, that is 13 and 282. If you don't get that, you have gone somewhere wrong. So let's just check this also. 282, 3 2s are 6, 24, 8, 2, 8, 2, 6, 6, 3 666. So let's just check it again. 26 and 91. 26 into 90. 6, 2, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. 9, 6, 6, 3, 1. And hence the next thing you have to do. Find the product between these two numbers now. Product of two numbers and LCM into HCF. Now we'll solve this too. 13 into 282. 6, 24, 8, 2, 8, 6 6 3 6 6 6. Here product of 13 into 2 8 2 is equal to 3 6 6 6. Here it is not that we have to verify is nothing but we have to prove that LCM into HCF is equal to, and it must be equal to LCM and HCF. 26 and 91, 2 13, 7 13, 13 is common, 13 into 12, 14. So now 13 into 14. 12, 5, 3, 1, 2, 8, 1. Here it is 182. And here 182 into 13. 3 2s are 6, 24, 5, 2, 8, 1, 6, 6, 3, 2, 3, 6, 6. You just have to write a conclusive statement that HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. In this question, this working must be there, but your multiplication calculation is not needed, but you just have to write this hence part. The first question what we did was not that of much importance. It is just a basic that you have to find the product of primes. But this question what we solved just now, this problem 2, all these 3 questions you just have to solve it because it is much of importance than the question number 1. So question 1 is done. Question 2. What was the question number? 510 and 92. 510 and 92. So 510 divisible by 2, 2 times, 5 times, 5 times. It is divisible by 3 because 2 plus 5 7 plus 5 12. So 3 7 8 times, 5 times, 5 1 time, 7 time, 17 1 time. So 510 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. And then 92, 2 4 times, 6 times, 2 times, 3 times, 23 1 time. This you can write it as 92 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23. And now to write HCF and LCM. HCF is equal to, the common is 2. There is no common. In this first part and the second question, both the numbers, the only common digit you have is 2. and LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. We'll simplify this. 4, 15, 17 into 23. Seventeen into 23 first we'll solve. 21, 5, 14, 3, 193, 391, 391 into 4, 4 times 36, 15, 1564 into 15, 20, 32, 28, 7, 4, 6, 5, 1, 0, 6, 14, 13, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Now here we have got HCM as 2 and LCM as 23,460. Now we have to find the product of these two numbers, and the product of these two numbers must be the same. So now this into 2, 0, 12, 9, 6, 4. Product of 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Product of HCM and LCF. HCF and LCM is 46920. Now we have to check the product of these two numbers. (92) into 51, 2, 9, 10, 46, 4, 6, 9, 2, 0. Product of 510 and 92 is equal to 46920. Hence proved. This is how you'll have to solve. First take the prime factorization and just write the numbers in the factorization form. Then write HCF and LCM of each number. Then take product of these two numbers, HCF and LCM. This is the first step. This is the first step. Then write this in a factorization form. This is third. Product of two numbers. Then here product of these are the steps you have to follow, and this is pretty 5 marker question. These are the steps which you have to follow. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 steps you have to follow. the first main doesn't really carry any weightage of marks, but this main has weightage of 5 marks, and you really have to be thorough with this concept. The next question for us to solve is 336 and 54. I will solve this over here. Now let's just solve this question. 336 and 54. 336 2 times, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 4 times, 2 times, 2 2 time and 1 time, 3 sevens are 7 1 time. To write this in a factorization form, 2 into 2 power 4 into 3 into 7, 54. 2 2 times 7, 9 times, 3 3 times and 3 1. So 54 can be written as 2 into 3 power 3 cube. HCF is equal to, yesterday only I said that HCF you have to take the least power, and for LCM you have to take the greatest power. Here you have 3 also. Out of 1 and 4, 1 is the least number, so you have to consider the least power, and for LCM out of 1 and 4, 4 is the greatest, so you have to consider 4. And you're the same with 1 and 3, 1 is the least, so consider 1, 3 cube, and the rest is 7. So answer is 6 over here. Two twos are 4, 4, 4, 16, 32. Eighteen into 16. It is the same question. Question 1 we have solved, and here question 2. Question 2 is really lengthy, and it is very clearly written with the steps over here. First step, as I said, first you have to prime factorize it, then write it in the factorization form, then take the HCF and LCM product, then product of the two numbers. This is how you have to solve all the 4 questions also. question 1 and question 3 is completely solved, and question 1 and question 2 is completely solved. Here refer this question for detailed explanation, and even in your textbook you have an example question. If I'm not wrong, that is illustration 2, that is clearly mentioned as this question. So this was problem 1 and problem 2.